Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Nikolai here back today, and I have on me wool underwear, t-shirt, a wool sweater, a scarf, another hat, whatever the fuck not. I am gonna try to get you guys on my head ish first before anything. I don't know if you guys are staying or not. Then I am gonna try to get my headlamp on top of there again ish. I don't know. Are you guys seeing? I hope so. We are back, and as you probably have read by the title of this video, or understood by the title of this video, we are gonna try to get that fucking bulb, or the cable for that bulb, onto the fucking car, because now I'm tired of me not being able to use that car to drive to Bodø due to a headlight being out. So we parked up here because they said there was going to be a lot of snow. So we parked up here. Oh yeah, but okay, let me try to Is it weird? It's not weird that the car fucking fogs over when we start the fucking car, or well, when the car gets warm. There's a fucking half meter of snow in the bottom here. That's why. Oh, hi. Who the hell? Oh, good shit. So, if you're wondering how cold it is. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I see. She is released, but she's also not released. Nah. When I find the fucking shit. So I'm not even gonna think about how long I've been driving with this one in there. I'm not even gonna think about that. Lol. So where the bulb is, as you guys all know, it's inside of here. There is the bulb, there is the bulb, and the thing is, we are struggling with getting the connector on. Now my idea here is that I'm gonna have to go on 5:30 in the back here so I can see what the fuck I am doing to get the shit on. If I can do that with your guys on the head or not, that I don't know, but if I can see what the fuck I am doing, because let me try and get this cap off so you guys can see what we are dealing with. So I don't know if you guys can see it down in there, but you can see the connector the connector is just flopping there. And the thing is, I need to get it onto the tab to get to get hooked onto the lamp. That is the problem, and as you can see, it's pretty fucking tight up in here. So getting around there is a fun job and a half. And I don't know what makes it better. The weather channel, or well, Storm or TV2 Vær, said that it's -5 outside, but it also says that it feels like it's -18. When I checked in the car earlier today, it was -14. So I guess believe what you want to believe, but I want that bitch in, so at least I think I did. And then she locked it again, which I don't think she has. No, it didn't get locked. Good shit. So here is a flathead. There is another flathead. Good shit. Okay guys, we are back and I got some light here. So I can kind of see what the fuck I am doing. Ish. Without needing more light, and this will also keep it a little bit warm around here. Kind of stealing power from quote-unquote the neighbor, but oh well. Hopefully this one doesn't pull too much power. So, plan of action is probably, and I got a hold of this bloody screwdriver, to just okay, so not that screwdriver, because that screwdriver is too thin. So I did turn you. So now you are loose, yes. Then I'm gonna try and not drop you somewhere where I can't reach you. So now that's loose. Then I'm gonna remove this one. And then pop that one loose. So then this side is also loose. So then these two bolts are the only two bolts holding this bloody bumper on, besides from obviously the ones underneath. But this should hopefully make me be able to pull this one out and kind of lurk her forward. Maybe if I'm lucky I manage to clip her out there and then see the bolt which is right here holding this shit in, because if I can just pull this bitch out, which is fucking annoying. This is why I hate compact cars like certain Renaults and Toyota Yaris models. Because I do not have Chinese hands even without gloves, so good shit. Not to shame anyone. And it's also snowing, so very great shit. So I am gonna take and pull those bloody fasteners out, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, you guys kind of see, yes. So I am back. Thought I'd just finally record while trying to do shit. Now please don't lay in there, because this one has become my clips / parts tray, quote unquote. So no, I have one wish to compact car manufacturers. One thing is making it compact. There's another thing making it quote unquote inaccessible, which is basically what this is. But what I'm hoping is gonna happen here is that when this bolt is out, this entire bumper is kind of just gonna slide forward. I may still have to go underneath the car, but I should maybe not have to pull out the sides and all of that. By any luck, I'm able to just pull her out without doing that. But now the entire front of this bumper is loose. There we go. Good shit. So now the front bumper here is all loosey. Good shit. Now the question is there screws inside of here? Or is there screws underneath? I don't know. But there is the fastener for the light. Okay guys, we are back, and where are we? The front bumper is loose. I have pulled out one clips from there. Rather said, this boy. So, if everything goes to plan, what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna jack this side of the car up, that side of the car up. I'm gonna take off the tire. I'm gonna get in there to the bolt that's there so I can loosen that one up. The underside is already all clipped out. So by any luck, I'm able to just move this entire bumper out, access the bolt which is right here, pull the lamp out, pop in the plug, pop on the cover, which right now has all the bolts, so that's great shit. And then smack the bumper back on, screw it all in, and call it a day. So I need to get the jack. Okay, so where are you, may I ask? Well, with some concerning skidding, the motor room is full of snow, so that's great shit. But I got the tire off, so now that one is already out, the top one is already out. So really the only thing holding this thing in now is a screw down here. Other than that, it's nothing. And the bolt we need to remove is right there. So I'm gonna be cracking along at this without you guys, because to be honest, I don't even know what the clock is, but I just want to try and get this done as fast as I can. This is why you don't buy a compact car, you guys. But I got it a little more loose so I can show you guys. But that bolt right here is the only one currently keeping this bumper in, I believe. So if I can just get that bitch out, I can slide this end of the bumper off. No, the one that's there is gone. So it's literally this bolt it should be. And this entire shit should slide up. Because there is the light. Right there. And there is a bolt either here or both here and there which is holding this light in. But I can see it now. Now the question is just, are you going to be a rusty piece of shit, or is that one going to come out easily? Because the engine room is currently full of snow. If just we had a garage, I swear. One of the bolts is out. One bolt to go. And this entire shit should just come apart, we hope. If it's not welded there, if it's welded there, I'm gonna be really fucking angry. Just please split apart and I get that last bolt out, please. Oh. Well, at least I'm only cold on my toes, I guess. And well, most of the snow in the engine bay is melting due to the light, so lol. Although there's a lot of snow here. Okay, so where are we? Bumper is off in the nicest way possible, no. So what this thing is going to be retained by is the fucking clips and the screws up in here, because that bolt the head snapped off on, so good shit. But now I have access to that fucking bolt holding this bitch in. And then supposedly there's another bolt holding it in. I don't know. There's one bolt there. So let's see what the fuck I can do. The shit! It is out! For helvete! Try this with both the GoPro and my phone. Moment of truth. There is light! It's raining cream buns! Holy fuck! That took me way longer than what the fuck it had to. Holy fuck! So now I just gotta piece this shit together. The bumper, it is on the car as much as it will get on the car. The lamp is in and bolted. The bolts for the bumper is in. I got the clips to put in. Then it is for me to screw in those two fucking bolts. That's up in there. This one and that boy, those two. Into up there. Here we need a new bolt, but it will hold on with the clip. And then bolt the wheel back on. And then this piece of shit is done. And I'm generally tired of having to drive with that one on, so good shit. So where are we? It's all in. It's all together. Now it's literally just to throw the tire on, tighten her down, let the car down, and I'm the fuck done here. I'm gonna start up the car just so I can turn the lights on and then turn it off again, so that way it's like auto everything thingamabob, because if not they stay on. Because I didn't want to start it with it in the air, and I didn't want to take it out of gear because I want or press the clutch in because I want the grip that I have on that tire, because it was sliding when I was jacking it up. So I didn't want to take it or well, take and connect out the clutch, or connect in the clutch per se. So now I'm gonna throw that bitch ass tire on and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna try. No, to be honest, it's not the point having my fucking this one on anymore, to be completely honest with you. So I am back and I have gotten the car you hear, and I have gotten everything here pretty much together and all handy dandy. So we are gonna take and
a few moments later,
as much snow, quote unquote, off of things as we can in here. Then I'm gonna take this lamp off. Then we are gonna do that. Then I am gonna put this one down in here. Make sure that nothing is laying in there. Then we are gonna real quickly start her. Ja, men i helvete. Good shit. Good shit. Ah, wait, I know why. I still gotta put in the back. But I'm just gonna wipe all the snow that I can out from underneath this shit, so that way, you know, it all doesn't freeze on, whatever. Okay, then it's just to throw this shit in the back, which is dish open. So you go into there. Everything here of course now fell out, so good shit. Yeah, I don't care. Up in there. Oh, so that way I can pull up this shit. And put back down the jack. Oh, I hate this shit. Oh, oh, fuck it. It's down in there enough. I don't care. It's in there. Good shit. Then I was gonna bring this shit in. Helvete, I forgot about that. So there is you and all the anti-skid mats. And there is this other boy. Good shit. Yeah. Good shit. Then I can lock the car, hopefully. Good shit. Even though that light is fun shit. Then I can try and link my ass back in here and yank out this ice cold cable, which is gonna be fun to try and tangle back together ish. Lol. Since this thing is so frozen that we're not getting this thing all the way back together, that I can tell you. So then I'm gonna go with this first and just throw it in there. And you guys are on your way to the next dimension. Oh yes. Holy helvete. Oh, oh. Good shit. Oh yeah. So, you're saying highlight, helvete. You guys can't see shit of me. So on that note, I want to say thank you guys for watching me struggle through this. I'm sure I could probably have managed that without tearing half the car apart, but to be honest, I just wanted it done. So now we have both the front lights, so now I can drive this car everywhere, quote unquote, without getting in trouble with the police due to not having a headlight, and using quote unquote fog lights when there's no fog, which you're not supposed to do. So good shit. So I'm now going to bring that in, and the headlamp right there, and I'm gonna call this the end of this video, and I'm gonna get myself a warm shower probably. I don't know, I'm gonna let my feet heat up first, but I would say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, like would be greatly appreciated, and as always, check the links down below for my socials and all of that. And until until next time, Merry fucking Christmas. Stay tuned and stay awesome, and Nikolai out of here.